Hello, my name is Chapman and today I am comparing two very similar looks. They both feature suede boots, cord trousers, a roll neck, a denim jacket and a trench coat. However, this guy here totals in at £259.49, whereas this look here is £2,155. Now, the point of this video is not to tell you which is best, high street or high end, because we all have our budgets and you have to work to that. The point is to invest. Think about what you're buying, think about how long you're going to have it for, think about other outfits you can make from it, think about longevity. Whatever you're spending, think of cost per wear. No matter how much you spend on something, the more you wear it, over time it becomes cheaper, right? Allow me to explain why I've chosen these looks. Now, we are apparently fast approaching the end of winter. I know it doesn't feel like it yet, but I'm reliably informed that spring is on its way. Both of these looks are much less about bundling up and staying warm in the winter and much more about layers, which are great for spring and will see you right through to summertime. Trench coats are iconic, and you don't get much more iconic than this Burberry bad boy. They've been around for a long time, and in fact, if you go on the Burberry website, they have a special dedicated section at all times. You can buy them any time of the year, you can buy them in seasonal ones, you can buy them traditional ones that have been around for a long time and barely change. You can get different fabrics, different blocks, you name it, they've got it, because they're iconic and they're very, very special. This one is a great example. It's a stone colour, it's hard wearing, it's shower proof, and will actually outlive you if you look after it well enough. Wear it with a suit, wear it with a look like this, wear it with jeans and trainers, it always looks really cool. I've gone for the double-breasted number here, and you've got the Burberry undercollar and Burberry lining, and it's also belted, so if you want to do it up and give yourself a nice waist, you can do that. This single-breasted trench coat comes in at £129 and it's from Marks and Spencer's, and you get a lot of bang for your buck here. You get really nice features like adjustable cuffs here, you get a removable collar, so underneath you've got a normal collar and here you've got like a leather feel type thing. You also get a removable liner, so when it's really cold, put this on, when it's a bit warmer, take it off and you can layer up, or you can just kind of wear it in milder weather. It's a really lovely sort of green khaki colour which lends itself really nicely to blues and blacks and browns. I've got a blue denim jacket on, otherwise I've gone quite tonal in sort of like a camely kind of grey brown type feel. Now, when I think denim, I always think Levi's for two reasons. One, they were the first to the denim party, and two, I used to work at Levi's for about 3 years when I was at university, and as such, have a real soft spot for them. This denim jacket here costs about £120, so actually isn't really super high end, but certainly isn't sort of the low end of high street either. Again, denim jackets are super versatile, and I don't think people give them enough credit. You usually see people just wearing denim jackets with a t-shirt and jeans, but actually, you can wear them as like a mid-layer underneath things. You can put them on top of a roll neck or a t-shirt or a shirt or whatever. Wear them with chinos, wear them with cords, wear them with jeans, whatever. There's so many options. This is a plain black one, which means it goes with basically everything. This denim jacket is from Dr. Denim, and I picked this up for £26, which is a real steal. Now, otherwise, this outfit would be quite, not formal, but a little smart. Having this sort of warm denim colour actually makes the whole thing a bit more casual. Also, this sort of kind of nice, brighter blue goes so well with everything. Wear it with black jeans, wear it with just like a plain white t-shirt, and you get so many different looks out of the one item. John Smedley do really beautiful knitwear. This is a very fine merino wool, and I actually have this in 3 colours. I've got this blue, I've got a navy blue, and I've got a grey. The one I've chosen today is quite a vibrant, not electric blue, but it's not far off. It's quite a vibrant blue, and I picked it because it will stand out from the black denim jacket, but also looks really nice against the stone colour of the trench coat here. This roll neck comes in at £19.99, and it's from Pull & Bear. It's grey, and grey is a really good colour to wear, particularly for a base layer, because you start from there and you can work your way up. And seeing as grey goes with basically everything, you've got loads and loads of options. It's also quite interesting in that it's got a bit of texture to it, and a contrast texture on the neck and the body. It isn't as soft or as luxurious or as merino as the John Smedley version, but it is £19.99p, which is much cheaper. These cords are from a brand called P. Johnson, which to be honest, I'd actually never heard of until I discovered these. I found them on the Mr. Porter website, and they're £295 and they are beautiful. I haven't actually had them that long, they're quite a recent addition for me, but I have worn them loads already. They're part of a suit, and as such are beautifully tailored. And that's the thing with cord. If you're gonna wear cord trousers, you have to make sure they're tailored really, really well. Otherwise, if they're too baggy, you have that kind of geography teacher kind of look. And I'm really sorry to well-dressed geography teachers. Mine wasn't so well dressed. He wore cords quite a lot in like a really horrible sort of grey colour, and they were super baggy, and it just kind of drowned him, and it wasn't nice. So if you're going to wear cords, make sure you get them nice and tailored. I've gone for a very beautiful deep blue here. There's something lovely about the way cords reflect light. They're kind of deep and there's a lot of texture there. And when you look at them and they hit light quite nicely, it's sophisticated and it's rich and it's sort of luxurious. These cords are £39.50 and they're also from Marks & Spencer's. Now it is the colour that you have to be quite careful with, but I picked these on purpose to show you how you can wear this colour really well. However, they had exactly the same ones in a really lovely deep brown and actually a navy too, but seeing as I wore navy in the other look, I didn't want to wear two navy pairs. But these are straight off the peg. I didn't get them altered or anything. Whereas the other pair, I had to get altered for an extra £20 and they were already £295. These ones, £39.50, straight off the peg and fit really, really well. And because I've worn them quite tonally like this, actually looks really cool in this colour. I've had these boots for probably about 4 years and I adore them. As you can see, they're actually still in really good condition because I look after them. I do wear them a lot though. I wear them a lot with jeans, I wear them with this sort of outfit all the time. They're a really beautiful sort of like taupey, fawny, browny colour. They come in at £195 and they're still on the website now in all sorts of different colours and fabrics. Slightly more casual than the pair from Russell & Bromley, these boots are from ASOS and they cost £40. Again, they're suede, but what makes them more casual is the fact that they've got like a natural gum sole, which lends itself really well to an outfit like this or indeed black jeans. And actually this sort of sandy colour looks really nice with really worn jeans. If you wear like quite a distressed pair with these boots, actually can look really cool. So there you have it, two very similar looks, only with £1,896 between them. Now again, it's about what you can comfortably afford and what you're willing to invest in and what you're going to wear a lot. There's no point in you spending all the money on a Burberry trench coat if you're never going to wear it. Equally, if you're going to wear a pair of Russell & Bromley boots the amount I have, it might be worth paying that extra and investing. That's the end of my lecture. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you very, very soon. Goodbye.